Finding accounts in KettleiQ. In this short training, I'll show you how to search, filter, and sort your full customer list, then open any account to see its contacts and activity. Let's take a look. You'll find this under CRM Accounts from your dashboard. This is Accounts, your full customer list. Every distributor, bar, restaurant, and retail account you work with. To find one fast, use the search bar up top and start typing the name, and I'll narrow the list as you type. Looking for a group instead of one account? Use the filters next to search. Account type, tier, territory, or status like active versus inactive to narrow to exactly the set you need. Click a column header to sort, say by last visit date, so you can spot who you haven't talked to in a while. The whole table reorders instantly around what matters to you right now. Once you find the account you need, click anywhere on its row and I'll open the full account page. Contacts, activity history, and pipeline opportunities all in one place. Bookmark this page. It's your starting point anytime you need a customer's details.